Today's video is inspired by Caribbean cruising. When you go on a cruise, they usually offer you some type of rum punch or cocktail drink. This is my version of rum punch infused with the classic sherbet punch. This recipe is so easy to make. You only need 3 ingredients. I like this recipe because it has that orange cranberry holiday essence. My grandmother used to make this all the time for the holidays, so this video is dedicated to her. Okay, you start off by scooping out softened sherbet or ice cream into a punch bowl. This flavor is orange sherbet vanilla swirl ice cream. Scoop the whole container into the bowl. Next, you're going to pour 64 ounces of cranberry juice into the sherbet. Now look at how this ice cream pops out of this juice. Now you're going to pour in a 2-liter bottle of ginger ale, and look how everything starts to fizz up. You get that nice froth on top of the ice cream. It almost looks like a cloud. The only thing left to do now is to stir the punch. Please subscribe to my channel to watch more sightseeing savings tips and recipes. I got this punch bowl dispenser because it comes with a lid. I like it because it's great for sanitary purposes and it can definitely be used at a party. Your guests can easily pour out their own drinks. I'll leave an Amazon link down below. You can level up this drink by pouring in some rum to give it that cruising on the Caribbean vibe. Now, I know not everybody likes to mix alcohol with dairy, and that's fine. The rum is optional. It's up to you how you want to make this drink. You can add rainbow sherbet with Sprite. You can be creative. I like to give people options. You can get this full recipe at sightseeing-savings.com. And now it's time to have a drink. Thanks for watching.